Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to fashion, beauty and makeup. So if you want to get lots of tips on like hair care, body care, skin care and you want to like watch lots of makeup tutorials and hauls, then you are at the right place. You can subscribe to my channel. And in today's video I will be talking about importance of vitamin C in our skincare routine. On my channel I have emphasized enough on this thing that you need to add vitamin C in your skincare routine, no matter what, anyway, anyhow, like be it your moisturizer, serums, your face wash, anything, like add vitamin C in your skincare routine. And consider subscribing to my channel. I post every Wednesday and every Saturday at 4 p.m. Well, I'm trying to post it like twice a week. Let's see like how much I am successful. Yes, and like talking about the vitamin C, let's talk about the first thing, like why vitamin C is so important, why you should include in your skincare routine or even your hair like diet or anything. So vitamin C is treated at the moment like the best ingredient that is for your anti-aging properties, and like it gives you a very fine, glowy and refreshing look to your skin. It gives a very smooth, even and glowing complexion. So talking more about vitamin C, I wanted to say that guys, try a patch on yourself, like try it on your elbows or on your neck. That are the, I guess, most sensitive areas on your body. So to see and check whether you are reacting to it or not. If your skin is sensitive, then you check the ingredients, and if there is L-ascorbic acid, like wait, ascorbic acid, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So if it's there, avoid the products which have this kind of acid, because like you might be irritated to it. Again, I will suggest each and every one of you to try a patch, although in my experience or whatever I have seen other people trying, that very less people are allergic to vitamin C things. Like it suits most people. Like it's actually, vitamin C is suitable for all skin types. Like it might be the case you are sensitive or you are allergic to something, then that is a different case. Try to add vitamin C like anyways in your like skincare routine. Like I shot a video just before that, and in that I use this moisturizer. It's Mamaearth vitamin C moisturizer. So like my face wash, my serums, my like everything, like they somehow add, like have vitamin C. So yes, it's very important. So let's talk about the benefits of vitamin C. So the first thing that I think that is the most beneficial about this vitamin C is, as I said, it suits all skin type, be it your normal skin type, your dry skin type, oily skin people, like it suits everyone. Again, like there are some exceptions obviously, but yes, I feel this is one of the best like benefit of it, like anyone can use it. Second, talking about the second benefit, hydrating and very brightening. So it has chemical, let me, I have notes over here, like I'm not just saying anything. I did a lot of research so that I can share it with you guys. So it has magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, one of the main ingredient which is there in vitamin C. It fades pigmentation and gives a very, you know, like even skin tone to your, like if you have blemishes and all that I will talk further in the next point. So the next point, that is the next benefit of vitamin C, is that it helps in reducing pigmentation. Like pigmentation, like you have like over here, or if you get spots, or like we have, like our body produces melanin. Let me check. Melanin, yeah, that is the like thing that our body, our skin creates. So like if you like must have noticed when you have acne and then it starts fading, there is a black spot over there. So like melanin is more on that particular concentrated area. So yes, this vitamin C helps in reducing that on your skin. And yes guys, it's like it's Very nice. So vitamin C helps in reducing the melanin production on your skin, like where there are dark spots or dark patches. Like it reduces that, as well as like it stops the melanin, like more melanin production in your skin. It helps in reducing redness, like puffiness, or if you have sunburns like that, it and giving you a very fine and even skin tone. Although I will suggest checking again, because I'm not a doctor, I'm talking about like from my experience and whatever like things I noticed myself. It helps in reducing your under eyes, sagging of skin. Like there are so many, you know, benefits of vitamin C. So now coming on to the next thing, that what you need to take care while using vitamin C. First thing, I will suggest you guys to use it twice a day, like more in the mornings, because like once we are going out and radiation and like that bright rays are there, so it protects our skin from that as well. And I will suggest, like if you are using vitamin C serum or any moisturizer, wait for some time, like 5 minutes, then go out, although we are not going out anywhere soon. So but still, like if you need to go out, just wait for 5 minutes to let it absorb into your skin, and then use it in the evening or night time skincare routine, like whatever suits you well. Again, second thing I will like to include is like using everything in the right order, because like right order of things is very important. I have said this in like one of my videos, like things you need to like know about skincare, that every girl must know, that using the products in the right order is so important. Like similarly for vitamin C, if your face wash has vitamin C, then use face wash, then use serums, then use moisturizer. Because like once you have applied serum, wait for 2-3 minutes, let it get absorbed, then apply the moisturizer. Always apply serums before the moisturizers. Again, the next most important thing is try a patch. This is so important above all the other things, like to check if you are allergic to it or not. Like this is so important. Like this is the most sensitive area of our like body, so try it over here. And again, if you are feeling any redness or any patchiness or any reaction you are having, stop it. Again, coming on to the next point, the concentration of vitamin C in the products you are using, it is somewhere around 5 to 30. So the people with the dry skin, like they generally, like you should generally use with a lower concentration from 5 to 15, 20. And mostly for the oily skin people, you can go beyond 20, but like 20% is like enough. You don't have to you go beyond that, but still if you are using 30 also, that is also fine. Again, how to use serums, like take a pump and then like massage it on your face and leave it for some time. Like the rule of thumb is cleanse, tone, and then moisturize your, like first cleanse your face, wash your face with vitamin C. Like if you are having vitamin C ingredient stuff, then use vitamin C like cleanser, then tone like every, as I said, then serums and all, then you can use the moisturizer. Guys, I tried to add like most of the stuff in this video, but like one video I cannot add everything. So let me know what do you think about this video, if it was helpful, and if you want me to make like more videos related to skincare like this, or if you want like to know something, let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and leave a comment if you like the video. And yes, follow me on Instagram. Everything, like some links for some good amazing products that I am using that have vitamin C will be there in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Thank you so much guys for watching. It means a lot to me that you take out time from your busy schedules and like watch my videos. Thank you so much for that. Bye, take care.